What if your world isn't just happening to you, a series of random events unfolding without your input, but because of you? Because of the very thoughts you think and the energy you project? Quantum physics, the study of the universe at its smallest scales, shows us that at the subatomic level, everything exists as pure potential, a wave of possibilities, until it is observed. Your focus collapses that wave of possibility into a single, defined reality. This is the observer effect in action. Scientists have proven through countless experiments that particles behave differently, fundamentally change their state when they are watched. Your awareness, your conscious observation, literally shapes what becomes real in your own experience. Where you choose to place your attention is precisely where you direct your energy, fueling its manifestation. If you consistently focus on lack, on what's missing, you will inevitably create more lack in your life. But if you shift your focus to abundance, to gratitude for what you have, you open yourself up to invite new possibilities and opportunities. Your thoughts, combined with your feelings, generate a unique electromagnetic signature, a vibrational frequency, that constantly interacts with the quantum field, the underlying fabric of reality. At every moment, you're always broadcasting a signal, whether you realize it or not. The crucial question is this: are you broadcasting the patterns of your past, perpetuating old limitations, or are you actively broadcasting a vision of a new desired future? The power to consciously shape your reality, to influence the quantum field, has always been inherent within you. So, with this understanding, what reality will you consciously choose to observe into existence? What future will you bring forth?
Imagine the quantum field as an ocean of energy, a boundless expanse where everything is interconnected. It's a realm of pure potential, constantly in motion, teeming with possibilities that are just waiting to be realized. This field is the very fabric of reality, connecting everything, a field of infinite possibilities where the past, present, and future exist simultaneously. It's the source of all creation, the wellspring from which all things emerge. Every reality you can imagine already exists as a potential within this field, waiting for you to tap into it. Think of it as a vast library filled with countless stories, each one representing a different version of your life. When you're stuck in stress and routine, constantly bombarded by external stimuli, your brain is often in a state of high beta, a state that effectively cuts you off from this field of infinite potential. But when you consciously slow your brainwaves, through practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature, for example, you access alpha and theta states. These states act as a gateway, opening the door to new possibilities and allowing you to connect with the quantum field. Think of tuning a radio. It's a perfect analogy for how we interact with the quantum field. Just like a radio picks up different stations, your thoughts and feelings are the frequency that determines what reality you experience. To experience a new reality, to manifest your desires, you must consciously tune into it emotionally and mentally, aligning your inner state with the outcome you wish to create. Combine a clear intention, a focused thought about what you want, with an elevated emotion like gratitude, joy, or love, and you broadcast a new coherent signal out into the quantum field. The quantum field responds to frequency, not just thought. It's the feeling behind the thought that truly matters. You can't think about wealth and simultaneously feel lack or scarcity. Your signals must be congruent, sending a unified message to the universe. When your intention and emotion align, when your thoughts and feelings are in harmony, you literally tune into a new potential, activating the corresponding reality in the quantum field. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, begins to organize events, orchestrate synchronicities, and align circumstances to match your new signal, paving the way for your desired outcome to manifest. Change your frequency, shift your vibration, and you change your life, transforming your reality from the inside out.
Meet Mark and Susan, two individuals much like ourselves, navigating the complexities of modern life. Two people living on autopilot, going through the motions day after day, often without truly questioning their path. Stuck in cycles of stress and self-doubt, trapped in a loop of negative thoughts and anxieties. Mark's daily worries, the constant pressure to perform and meet expectations, and Susan's limiting beliefs, the ingrained notions that hold her back from pursuing her true potential, keep them trapped in familiar realities. Their thoughts and feelings, the very essence of their being, signal the quantum field to deliver more of the same experiences, reinforcing their current state. Most of us live this way, unconsciously repeating the past, creating the same future, a predictable pattern based on habitual thinking. The breakthrough comes when you realize you are not your thoughts, but the awareness behind them. You are the observer, the conscious presence capable of choosing a different perspective. Mark and Susan can choose to feel empowered and grateful, even before their circumstances change. They can proactively cultivate positive emotions. By trading old emotions for new ones, they shift their signal, sending a different message to the quantum field. This is the moment of awakening, the start of conscious creation, where you become the architect of your own reality. To change your life, change your energy first. Shift your internal state, and the external world will follow. The future is created by those who dare to feel it before it arrives, by those who embody the emotions of their desired reality in the present moment. Will you? Will you dare to step into the unknown and create the life you truly desire?
The first step, get crystal clear on what you want. Vague intentions send weak signals. Define your goal in detail. What does it look and feel like? Mark's intention: run a successful consulting business from home with clients he enjoys. But intention alone isn't enough. Pair it with elevated emotion, freedom, gratitude, empowerment. Practice feeling those emotions daily, as if your goal is already real. Visualize your future with sensory detail, then anchor the emotion in your body. This rewires your brain and reconditions your body for a new reality. You move from waiting for change to causing it. When you combine clear intention with elevated emotion, you become the creator of your life. The quantum field responds to who you are now, not who you were.
Next, mentally rehearse your desired future, until it feels familiar. Your brain can't tell the difference between real and vividly imagined experiences. Susan visualizes her art studio, feeling the inspiration, the joy of creating, the pride of her first sale. She repeats this mental movie daily, engaging all her senses and emotions. This practice rewires her brain, breaking old habits of doubt and building new ones of confidence. By rehearsing her future, Susan starts her day from possibility, not lack. Consistency is key. Soon, her new future feels more real than her past. When you think, act, and feel like your future self, you naturally make choices that align with it. Your future becomes inevitable.
The final step: surrender the outcome to the quantum field. After setting your intention and feeling your future, let go of how it will happen. Trust the field to orchestrate the details in ways you can't predict. Trying to control the outcome creates resistance. Your job is to stay open and grateful, not to micromanage the process. Surrender is active trust, gratitude before the event arrives. When doubt creeps in, return to the feeling of your future. Define your desire, feel it, rehearse it, then let go. The universe will surprise you. The power is in the present moment. Step into the unknown, embrace possibility, and create a life that inspires you. You are the creator. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow the channel for more inspiring content.